it's going.
Okay, so we're going to use snapstone so that we can do this repair fairly quickly. We're adding in just enough water to the powder to get it to a creamy consistency. They were fairly creamy, just a little bit dry, so we'll add a couple of drops. That's about where we want it to be.
And what are you mixing up here, Scott?
We're missing snapstone. Okay, now we're going to turn on our vibrator. I'm going to add just a little bit right at the beginning, and I'm doing it slow that it flows into the teeth but doesn't create bubbles. Right, we did a pickup impression. Notice as I add the material, it flows faster when it's not grabbing onto the Okay, so we've pushed all of the liquid out. Now we're going to take the rest of our stone and plop it into a base former.
You sure move fast.
You have to move fast. Snapstone sets really fast in a snap. And that's it. Now we're going to let it set for 20 minutes and it'll be ready to work on.